Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel and thank you so much for watching the Artsy Paint. In today's video, as you have already read by the title of today's video, I'm gonna be talking about flat lay props that you can find around in your house. Yes, I know a lot of you who are watching me right now, if you want to start flat lay photography or product photography in general, you feel really skeptical about all the props and fillers that photographers use in their flat lays, and you're really confused about what to choose and how to choose and all of that stuff. So don't worry, I've got all of those questions covered in today's video. So if you're interested to know all of that, then make sure to watch the whole video. But before that, please consider subscribing to my channel and hit notifications bell. So I'm pretty sure after watching the whole video, you will find all the props or fillers from around in your house. Grab that and get started with flat lay photography or product photography in general. So without any further ado, let's jump right into the video. First is books. So whether or not you are a reader, you must be having books. Books add that aesthetic medieval vibes to a flat lay. Whenever there is some text going or that vintagey effect, flat lays tend to have a really good effect on the audience. So you can grab your books, any novels or any storybooks, even your textbooks. So make a list while watching the video and grab everything afterwards. Second is flowers. Whether fake flowers or real, both do the job really well. So you must be having flowers, right? Fake flowers for decor in your home, just grab them, use in your flat lays in a way that they add that extra pop to your flat lays. If you have a garden, then voila, you can use real flowers. Real flowers also look very good in flat lays. Or if you don't have a garden and if you want real flowers to be used in your flat lays, you can go and buy from the market. They come in really handy. Nowadays I'm really searching for flowers because corona, all the shops are closed, so I'm not getting flowers, but I'm just trying to figure out things with all the fake flowers I have. Moving on to the third prop is the notes and journals. All must be having journals or note cards, anything, basically adding something to make the negative spaces go away, right? So take any notes or journals, or there's stationaries, note cards, paper clips, any stationery you have. You just have to fill those negative spaces with those stationaries or the fillers, as I say, so that the flat lay looks really well composed and there are no negative spaces. There's jute baskets. Everyone must be having jute baskets. Grab those, pin some flowers and arrange them in the corners so that they fill those corner spaces and your subject is basically in the middle of the flat lay, and that way your story is conveyed to the audience. Next prop you can go for is wooden platters or wooden boards, chopping boards. You can use them. Ask your mama to lend it to you. Placing a coffee, to add that texture, to add that layers in your flat lays. You can use wooden tabletops as well. Seventh is electronic gadgets, mouse, keyboard, laptops, headphones, speakers, anything would work. Props are basically to add those extra layers, otherwise it would look so dull and flat and the story won't be conveyed. So basically props are used to add those layers, to add those textures, so you can use anything. Next is candles. Candles are the really good elements as props. You must be having candles, whether glass jars or the normal candles that we get. You can use them, light them, and they add that little soothing aesthetic feeling to your pictures. Second last is plants or leaves. Grab any leaves from your garden, or fake leaves would do the job. Plants, you can use plants. Here is one that I'm using for my YouTube videos. You have seen that in a lot of videos. Anyways, so you can use plants or leaves, or you can use glass bottles. You don't have to go and buy glass bottles. You must be getting tomato sauce bottles. Just wash them and they look really beautiful when you arrange them, when you put flowers in them, and they kind of act like a vase. That would work really well for your pictures. Last is magazines or musical instruments or makeup items. Use any magazines, any journals you have, or if you can get a printout of the pictures, you can search Pinterest for that. Magazine covers, vintage magazine covers, they add that really aesthetic look. You can use makeup items as well, lipstick, mascara, anything would do the job. Just have to add the fillers to add those extra layers or texture. You can use musical instruments as well. If you have a guitar or if you have a violin, you can add accessories as well. Anything would do the job. Anything would add that extra value to your pictures, to your flat lays. So that brings us to the end of this video. If you got something to know from this video, if your doubt of what to use in your flat lays is cleared, then please don't forget to hit the like button, comment down below, share with your friends and family, and please subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell so that you get notified on every new video on my channel. And I'll see you soon on Wednesday. Till then, take good care of yourselves, and also don't forget to connect with me on my social media handles. I'll link all of them in the description box as well. Stay happy and stay healthy. Bye guys.